Hello, I made the full floor bridge 2020. It's slightly different from last year's, so I think it's better for me to make a video just to go through some of the points that I've made, so that it's actually easy to use for you. Instead of you guessing what it is, I can tell you what it is. As you can see, I'm using the orange as the common color in the bridges. It will have a title page, so if you're on a Google Drive, you can actually spot your bridge more easily. And the title page will be right at the front, and the tab is blank. So that would be a title page. The title page, it will have a picture so that on Google Drive you can actually spot it quickly, like this one. Beside that, you will have the quick links to the different bridges that you have, and it will give you the dates that you have select from the each of the bridges. So if I were to go to Tuesday, not Tuesday, 2 bridge, and if I were to go to the Sunday tab and choose another month, because at the moment it's February, so I would choose June. Okay, so once I've done that, all the other four bridges will update that week 2 is in June. Yeah. um it's going to take a bit of time for it to update. So I'm just going to tell you that you got the links for the different bridges. You can see the June, the dates are up here, and you can actually have links to the other planners. And this is the video. Yeah. And so if you notice that each of the title page will have a date, which this a particular bridge is actually have chosen. So this bridge is from 9th of February to 15th of February. So if we go back to week 2, 7th of June to 13th of June. And so what that will do is, hold on, let me see if I can find uh, okay, I'm going to show you here. So what it will do, this is the other bridges I've done. Just from the photo, you can actually see the different bridges and the dates that is being chosen on different bridges. It just so happened I got so many, I can't actually quickly find the full floor um, icon picture. And if you go to the links, hold on. If you actually go to the links tab, you will actually see the dates that the bridge have chosen. So the second week is 7th of June. Yeah, that's quite good. So I'm going to go back to the original date. Done. Go back. And so week 1, this is where you keep the data for the meeting notes, the training notes, and general notes. So on week 1, if you make the changes, all the other tabs, all the other spreadsheet will take the data from week 1. And therefore, if you're having just week 2 and you want to quickly have the access for the meeting notes, there is, hold on a minute, get rid of that. There is you see the meeting note have underlined. So if you actually just press on it and go to pop-up and press, it will actually open up week 1 and it will go to the notes for you to update the notes. So there is a hyperlink here. There is also a hyperlink just here for you to adjust the break time. Okay, so if you actually go here, go to pop-up and it will open up week 1 on the breaks tab for you to amend any details on breaks. From what I noticed, nobody actually do any amendment, but I thought I'd tell you so that just in case you actually want to change the break time. Yeah. Beside that, I added an extra section, and so here it will automatically look through the different people, and if they're on holiday, it will flash up here. If they're on leave, it will flash up here. If they're absent or absent other, it will flash up here. And so it's all automatic, but if you decide you don't want this to be on your bridge, you can actually just uncheck the off. So if you uncheck the off, it will just hide it. Yeah, just in case, when you're printing, you just want to make everything look a bit tidier and smaller. Yeah. So there is an extra space here which you can actually just handwrite some notes. Just an extra space, really. Beside that, let me just quickly hold on. Let me check time. Right, I've got 3 minutes. The missing tab on column A is actually the list of people that is on the 3 different planners, and it is actually combined in this line. And what it does is the missing tab, it will tell you who is missing on these tabs. So everything is automated. If you do control at, you can see all of this is a formula. So don't type into this. This is all automated. So if you actually look in here, you can see these are the people that is not on the 7 days of tabs. Yeah. Don't worry if they actually repeat it three times, because it means that these people are is actually on 3 different planners. Yeah. Don't get upset if you see people repeated, except if they're partners. If they're partners and they're not like special roles like selling coach or managers, then you really need to. I don't know why there's 4. This person is appearing 4 times. Maybe I have to look at this and find out why it's appearing 4 times. It should be 3 at the most. But anyway, I hope you find this video useful. And also, these are organized in department order. So let's just say you have got this. I have to say it quickly. In the master tab, if you have like a blank like this, the missing tab will have a hard time of locating, because it will be all the way to the end around here if you're missing the criteria of department. So just copy the department on, yeah, like this. Do it on the master tab and the main tab will pick it up. Yeah. Thank you very much. Goodbye.